How can you combine these words with these words? For my students, it's often a big mystery. I'm here to make things clear. Welcome to Everything English with John, the #1 place for YouTube English lessons. I'm John, and today we're going to study phrasal verb secrets. To look down on. Jessica is an art student. She's talking to Erica about potentially changing her studies. I really want to pursue my dream of becoming an artist, but I'm afraid that I won't get a job. Of course you will. You're so talented. Thanks, but it's hard to ignore the fact. Artists aren't even respected these days. Maybe I should go into IT. You won't know until you try, and even if you face challenges, keep going. Thanks a lot, Erica. I appreciate it so much. Don't worry about it. People will always look down on you, but it's important to ignore them. Do what you love. Quiz time! What does to look down on mean? To stare at the floor? To see someone as inferior? To search on the ground? To watch from a higher place? Please pause the video and answer the question. That's right, it's B. To see someone as inferior. Phrasal verb secrets. Look is a verb meaning to direct your eyes towards something, while down on implies a negative view or judgment of someone. Looking down on someone is often associated with feeling superior or having a sense of arrogance. This phrasal verb can apply to various contexts, such as age, experience, social class, or any other factor that can lead to a judgmental attitude. Phrasal verb extras. Look up to is the opposite of look down on. It means to admire or respect someone. I've always looked up to my big brother. He's a huge source of inspiration in my life. Look can be combined with a lot of different words to create new meanings. Look around for, search, look through, analyze, and look into, investigate, are just some examples. Subscribe for these verbs and more. Examples. Don't look down on people just because they have less experience than you. She always looked down on him because he didn't go to a prestigious university. It's important to not look down on someone because of their financial status. He used to look down on his colleagues until he realized everyone has unique strengths. Vocabulary extras. Rewatch the video to catch the vocabulary. To pursue. To want. To chase. Face challenges. Confront challenges. A source of inspiration. Something that makes you want to do things. Prestigious. Famous and excellent. Thanks for watching Everything English with John. Please like, share, and subscribe. For more information or private classes, please visit my site, everythingenglishwithjohn.com.